So as we all know, data is the new oil, and which is not a new norm, which has been there for some time now. But it is very essential for us to understand that what does the data mean, and what challenges we see from our customers is that many times the data sources are there, the data strategy or the data thought process is there, but sometimes it is difficult for them to understand what and how to derive value from the data. And in that context, the first and primary point that we also see is the cleaning of data or the data hygiene. So there are a lot of garbage data which is there. I think just by saying that we will bring all data and try to make actions out of that garbage data may not resonate well. And hence, it is very essential that we are seeing as an ask from our customers as well, that we go and first understand the data patterns, understand the data sources, and take the data and clean those data, and then feed up to the other layers for making meaningful content out of it. So if I have to summarize, that becomes the primary point for them. We, most of the time, take a business-centric view, not a technology-centric view at the very beginning, because it is the business problems which the customers are trying to solve. So understanding the problem from their lens is very, very essential for us, and we do that as a first step. And once we get into that, and by virtue of our domain expertise, we tend to understand what is bothering them and what is making sleepless nights for them. And that becomes a starting point for us. And then obviously the data evolution journey kind of starts. In Motherson, what we have done is that we have kind of developed a couple of frameworks and platforms which not only kind of accelerates the customer's data adoption journey, but the entire data lifecycle or data engineering journey is being fast-tracked. And those accelerators, I think, help them in that journey. And we kind of take pride in helping the customer in their data transformation and in larger theme of digital transformation as a journey. A very good question. So data governance and data management has been a burning issue for many enterprise customers. But the way we look at the entire governance, that data cannot be treated as a reporting tool alone. So data, wrong data or right data, the data sanity cannot be an outcome of a report that we derive out of the data. It has to be done at a very inception layer of it. And hence, not only just an appreciation of the data, but understanding the technology nuances to make the data more meaningful, that is where the crux lies. In that, I think from a transformation point of view again, and from a technology side, there are multiple tools. So any technology problem or any tool is not the only solution. As I said, business problem is the business ask is the primary thing, and whether we are doing it with technology A or technology B, we at Motherson, being a true SI or a system integrator, we have the best of the breed technologies with our purview, and hence it becomes good part on our side to understand what technology set or what tool set will be applicable for what kind of customers. One size will not fit all, and hence being an SI, that kind of a competency is there within the team to select and consult the customers in the right particular way. So if you remember, if you go back sometimes, manufacturing industry is the first industry which taught us Lean Six Sigma. So the process orientation and following a particular track or a process is being adopted by them very early. And many element from a business transformation point of view that we are doing it in other industry has been actually coming from manufacturing industry itself. And again, coming and solving a customer's problem from that domain or an industry is by virtue of the domain heritage that we have from the Motherson Group. Because our solutions and frameworks are not just deployed externally, they are homegrown solutions. They have been deployed into multiple instances of our own setups, our own class, and hence we know what is working well, what is not working well. And hence we kind of go into the customer scenario and taking the best of the breed solution for that.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.